Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Shasta. I'm Shasta. So today we'll discuss the previous year question paper of MA second semester that is named as Modern Fiction. The paper code is MENG 203 DSC. So first question is the compulsory question. You have been given 10 questions. You have to attempt any 5 questions in about 100 words. First is modern novelist of 20th century, stream of consciousness technique, the structure of Mrs. Dalloway, Stephen Dedalus in Portrait of Artist as a Young Man, discuss Sons and Lovers as a Bildungsroman, darkness in Heart of Darkness. Post-colonial element in A Passage to India, how is racism shown in A Passage to India, discuss Lawrence, a poet of frankness in sexual matters, novel of ideas. So you have been given next 5 questions. Out of them you have to attempt 6 questions. You have to attempt any 3 questions of 20 marks each. Discuss the concept of feminism in Virginia Woolf's Mrs. Dalloway. What aspects of modernism are present in Virginia Woolf's Mrs. Dalloway? What is the significance of the title A Portrait of the Artist as a Young Man? Comment on Joy's narrative technique in The Portrait of Artist as a Young Man. What are the major themes in Sons and Lovers? Discuss Sons and Lovers as a modern English novel. What is Impressionism and is Joseph Conrad an Impressionist? Give textual evidence from Heart of Darkness. Explain the concept of colonialism and racism in Heart of Darkness. Discuss Foster's use of symbolism in A Passage to India. Foster conveys the message that the glut between the two cultures races is that the Englishman has an undeveloped heart while the Indian has an undeveloped head. Elaborate with illustrations from the text prescribed in your syllabus. So I have earlier told you that in the previous video that you will get one question. The last question will be from your history portion. So you can attempt it if you know the answer of it, of course. Discuss the main trends of modern fiction during the 20th century. The 20th century ultimately reached to an age of multifarious experiments. The major novelists of the age focus all their attention on the inner life rather than exterior human existence. Explain with reference to the 20th century major novelist prescribed in your syllabus. ठीक है, अब इन पे जो है मैं वीडियो बना दूंगी आपके लिए. ठीक है, मैं आपको एक ही क्वेश्चन जो है वो तैयार करा दूंगी. फिर आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन आएगा, आपने सिर्फ उसी क्वेश्चन को घुमा फिरा के जो है उसी में आपको सारे के सारे जितने भी एस्पेक्ट्स एक नोवेल के अंदर कवर हो सकते हैं वो मैं सारे के सारे आपको बता दूंगी. ठीक है, हम प्रिपेयर करेंगे 3 सन्स एंड लवर करेंगे, हम पैसेज टू इंडिया करेंगे हम, और वर्जीनिया वुल्फ का मिसेस डेलोवे करेंगे हम. इन डिटेल में आपको सब कुछ बता दूंगी विद नोट्स. ठीक है, गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल, टेक केयर, बाय बाय, वेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.